Okay guys, so a few days ago I made a video about this particular post here on Hamster Kombat. Okay, so I talked about the voting of a thing which will be taking place here on the Hamster Kombat, and I believe a lot of you watched that video. So right in today's video guys, you can see they actually made this post on the 20th of December. That was yesterday as of the time of recording this video. So here they say the day is finally here. You as a HMSTR token holder can now make decisions and define the future of the propose, govern and vote. Okay, so here they say join Hamster Kombat's DAO here. So the DAO there simply means decentralized autonomous organization. Okay, now to participate on this guys, all you need to do is to click on the link here, hamsterdao.io. okay, so I'll click on the link. This is it. This is the very first thing you will see right here on the official site. So here they say propose, govern, vote. So here simply means we'll be carrying out a vote here. Okay, so and here they say you can now define the future of the Hamster Kombat ecosystem. Hamster are the new governors. Okay, so now to participate on this guys, all you need to do is to click on join DAO. So I'll click on that, and this is the first thing you will see right here.